Hey you, welcome to Beauty Over 40. Today we're talking nose contour. We're using just a dark foundation to contour our nose. If you'd like to experience this technique with me, definitely stay tuned.
I'm down if you're down. Let's ride out right now. We'll go where there ain't no crowds, somewhere underneath the clouds. I'm down if you're down.
Alright guys, so we're going to jump into this really quick. Yes, of course, I'm getting ready for work. But before we get started, foundation I'm wearing today is a BB cream. So I'm wearing the Chic Clearing BB cream today. I have been loving that BB cream. But as for now, we're going to talk about nose contour. So, not like my hair in my face when I'm doing my makeup, but I needed to take a before picture, so that's why it's out. So for contour, I'm going to use, okay, I changed my mind on that. So for contour, and that's all over my face, I will use anything except the powder. I feel like powder is a little bit more, it takes a little bit more work to blend it out. I'm more of a, if I can cut down some time, I'm going to do that. But this is the darkest shade of the Estee Lauder Doublewear, and I apologize, it's worn off a little bit, but you can see that's pretty dark. I'm going to put just a little bit of that on my Petri dish here. Alright, so for my nose contour, and of course you can do it however you want. For the sake of the video, I'm going to use a brush today. And what I'm going to do is start at my brow, because you want a smooth transition. So I'm trying not to do too much. And I want to put that as close to the bridge as I can. And on a everyday basis, I do not contour my nose. It just depends on how I'm feeling. And then two, I do not use this much product. But we're gonna, do this for the sake of the video, and I'm just going to start blending that out. You want to keep that contour color like as close to your bridge as you can. If you spread that out, you're pretty much defeating the purpose. You want to try to narrow the nose and not widen it. Again, this is a little exaggerated for me because I do not. Okay, I apologize about that. I forgot I set my mic down, but if I need to, I'll do a voiceover on that part. But yeah, you just want to keep that contour as close to the bridge as you can. I'm going to go in with a bigger brush. You just want to blend out those harsh edges. And as you can see, that's a bit exaggerated. I'm going to, some people do like the little, I don't really do that. You can do that if you feel the need to do that, to give yourself like a little button nose. Okay, you just want to blend that out. You want to try to keep the line there, but really, really diffuse it. I do contour my nose, but not this harshly, but for the sake of the video, I want, to make sure you guys can see that. And then what I like to do is, of course, go right down the middle for the highlight. And I'm gonna have to go back with my actual highlight to put that back on there. And then I like to go like right on the side. Okay, you can see that line there. I do like to set right here sometimes because I wear eyeglasses at work, and that'll help the transfer of makeup from getting on your glasses, on the inner part of your glasses. All right, I'm gonna take a picture here on this process. All right, so I'm gonna let this sit for a little bit and I'll be right back. All right, so we are back. Now what I'm gonna do is just go ahead and I'm just gonna go ahead and press that powder in. If you wanna dust it away, that is totally fine. But as for me, as I mentioned, I wear glasses and that's gonna help my situation when I wear my glasses. So you can see my nose is like really, really tapered, and you can see that that goes all the way up there. If you want, you can follow up with some powder or eyeshadow to deepen it. But this is fine for me. As you can see, I'm sweating. I'm having a hot flash. I am going to go back in with my highlighter. I love me some highlight, so this is always a technique I will do. Fro, get the fro acting right. And that is it. You can see my nose is contoured. Yeah, that's it. So that is how I contour my nose. So let me know what you guys think. I will do a side by side so you guys can see the difference. Let me know, do you see a difference? Also, do you contour your nose? If you do you contour every day or every once in a while? Let me know what your technique is and let me know, what do you use? Do you use a cream? Do you use a powder? So drop that down below. All right, guys, so that is it for this video. So if you're not following me on Instagram and TikTok, give your girl follow at LRH Makeup. Also, my second handle on TikTok, which is _beauty over40. And of course, if you're not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please consider subscribing to my channel, turning on post notifications. That way you'll be notified when I upload new content. All right, guys, until next time, remember the best makeup you can wear is confidence. Bye.